3,500 patients have been treated with Panchagavya in 100 days. The Ayush department, operating in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, that is AIIMS in Munshi-Ganj, has set a new record. The Ayush department has benefited more than 3,500 patients by treating them through Ayurveda and Panchagavya while completing 100 days. Along with this, people's faith in Ayurveda is increasing rapidly. The number of patients in the OPD of the Ayush department is increasing. Patients of almost all types are reaching Ayush department for treatment. The single Ayush OPD operating in AIIMS is the first in the state to benefit maximum number of patients in 100 days since the institute has been established. The number of patients benefiting from the treatment of Ayurveda is increasing. Ayush Medical Officer Dr. H.K. Prateek claimed that the district's AIIMS is probably the first institute in the state to give consultation to patients so fast in the first 100 days at the single level of OPD Ayurveda. 100% of the patients have been given treatment consultation directly or indirectly with the Panchagavya of Ayurveda. Ayush Medical Officer Dr. H.K. Prateek said that the number of patients suffering from skin diseases, stomach diseases, respiratory diseases, joint pain, diabetes is the highest in the OPD. Apart from this, patients of cancer, liver cirrhosis, kidney disease, autoimmune, hemolytic anemia, TB, leprosy, filariasis, thyroid, heart disease have also been successfully treated with proper consultation. Superintendent Professor Dr. Neeraj Srivastav said that all this is becoming possible due to the far-sighted thinking of Dr. Professor Arvind Rajvanshi. Patients are getting allopathic and Ayurvedic treatment under one roof in the institute. He said that people who consume Ayurveda can live more than 100 years even today. A woman, a diabetic patient from Fatehpur, was not able to heal a wound in her hand for 6 months due to increased sugar. The wound healed in 1 month with Ayurvedic treatment. A patient suffering from 6-year-old skin disease, that is psoriasis, got relief with purgation treatment of Ayurveda. This is the power of Panchagavya and Ayurveda when combined with modern medicine.